This is going to be a quick tutorial about my 2000s Corolla hatchback head unit installation. I purchased these two items from Temu. The head unit cover was around 20 bucks and the actual head unit was around 50. This is the head unit from the back, looks pretty standard and good quality. This is the wiring kit it came with, and now moving on to removing the dashboard. Remove the bezel around the gear shifter, just pull it towards you. Remove the cables for the cigarette lighter, and this will expose the two screws which hold on the AC unit compartment. Remove the ashtray by clicking there and pull the compartment towards you. It should pop right out and expose the cables. Also remove the small LED bulb or light bulb. And now you have exposed four 10mm screws. Remove them and pull the head unit towards you. There is a small metal tab that's holding onto some plastic. Move the head unit slightly up and it will release. There are a couple of tabs around the bezel of this head unit which match exactly the car. This is where they go to, but this will require a slight modification. Mount the head unit on the bezel with 4 small screws, and that's what it looks like. I had to bore out the holes a little bit with a drill. And now onto the wiring. I'm just splicing the cables here and using a soldered waterproof heat shrink. Twist and heat up the heat shrink and everything will be nice and secure. For the wiring, I found a diagram for the car harness and a diagram for the head unit harness, cross-matched each wire and connected them. This is the harness and the car side, and this is the head unit side. The leftover wires are for the steering wheel controls. This is from the head unit and this is from the steering wheel harness. So basically here we will be stripping 3 wires, the red, green and white one. The red one is your ground, the green one is the mode button and the white one is your channel/volume control. The green or white doesn't matter if it goes to key 1 or key 2, this will be adjusted on the menu screen of the head unit later. This information was found on a YouTube video linked in the description. Now that everything is connected, I'm going to test if it works. It doesn't. You have to map each key to your head unit settings. You have to go to your settings, click wheel settings, and then the instructions guide you to long press the key on your steering wheel and then select the corresponding key on your head unit. On this specific head unit, when the mapping and wiring is done right, the head unit buttons will be highlighted and the font will turn red. And now the moment of truth. It's working like intended. Excellent. You can see I'm very happy here.
Very nice.
And now connect everything back together. Connect your antenna back to its place. Connect any additional USB or camera and backup cables. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Check out the final results and take care. Bye bye.